I'm Dr. Adam Saucedo, and I'd like to talk to you about Power Strips by FG Express. And I'd like specifically to talk about how Power Strips are able to improve the look and feel of skin. It starts with germanium. Germanium has optical properties that allow them to harvest the heat in the area of the Power Strip, redirect it to the body, and cause dilation of vessels. Where it comes to the skin, the microvasculature, the small vessels in the skin in particular, are important. And those are dilated, and they improve circulation to the skin. And they set up an environment to improve the look and feel of skin. In addition to germanium, we have additional ingredients. The first is called alpha-3 CMP marine phytoplankton. This is a proprietary form of naturally harvested marine phytoplankton. After 5 years of studying nutrition, I have never seen a more complete and perfectly balanced source of nutrition. There is Korean red ginseng. And the Korean red ginseng we use for the Power Strips is processed in a very special way. It is fermented under very low oxygen tension. And what this yields are molecules, active molecules that have more effect. They have a longer half-life. All three of these ingredients are delivered to the skin, and they create on the surface of the skin an environment that is conducive to a healthy appearance. There are more than 3 billion adults walking the earth, and it is the skin that we present to the world. And how that skin looks plays an important role in what people see and on how we feel about ourselves. So by improving the look and feel of skin, we're able to reach out and in a real way touch the lives of billions of people.